Just Crystal, and we saw quite the rain events to kick off our work week, as just from midnight to noon we've already seen more than a quarter-inch of rain fall in Grand Junction. We saw over a half-inch over by Rifle, and once we start getting into the afternoon hours, we start seeing these rain showers start to migrate a little bit closer to the divide, and we will be seeing plenty more rain where that came from as we head through the evening hours closer towards the divide. For the western portions, those showers should be wrapping up relatively shortly, and I'll have more details for you in the full forecast.
Now, first on the Western Slope, you're watching KREX 5 News at 6 p.m.
Good evening and thanks for watching KREX 5 News at 6. I'm Lena Takada. The second wave of COVID is here. That's what Mesa County Public Health Department Executive Director Jeff Kors says about the rising number of COVID cases in the area. The health department tells us about the current coronavirus situation in Mesa County. The daily COVID case count in Mesa County has consistently been in the double digits in the last few weeks. It's rising numbers that the executive director of the Mesa County Public Health Department calls Mesa County's beginning of a second wave. And it's arriving just as the state of Colorado is experiencing a fourth wave of coronavirus cases.
I feel like we're in a new wave right now. For Mesa County, it would just be the second wave. We didn't see any of those prior.
There have been more than 10 outbreaks recently. The positivity rate is over 5%, and the county is seeing a high number of hospitalizations.
2 churches with outbreaks. We have 3 assisted living facilities. We have 4 schools, 1 child care, and then a youth services correctional facilities.
The executive director of the Mesa County Public Health Department says a little over a quarter of the people testing positive for the coronavirus right now are young people.
9% of our cases in the past 2 weeks have been with children 0 to 9. The children 10 to 19, in the past 2 weeks, that was 18% of our cases. So, that's 6% above where we've been for the entire period of our COVID response.
And while the Free to Choose resolution in Mesa County allows people to choose how to protect themselves, Kors says getting vaccinated is the kindest thing people can do for those who can't.
For those individuals 15 and under, I feel like it's our responsibility as adults of the parents, the grandparents, the caregivers of those children. I think we need to protect them by vaccinating ourselves as well.
The Public Health Department has 20 contact tracers and 4 epidemiologists who are continuing to work to stop the spread of COVID.